We will build a model of a regenerative braking system using a flywheel. Firstly, connect a DC power supply, a light bulb, and a two-way switch as shown. Then connect the motor to the DC output through the two-way switch. Set the power supply at 6 volts. Switch on the power supply. The flywheel is driven by the motor through the rubber belt. The kinetic energy of the flywheel is increasing. Wait until the flywheel reaches a steady high rotational speed. Change the connection of the two-way switch so that the motor is connected to the light bulb. Now the motor becomes an electric generator driven by the rotating flywheel. What happens to the light bulb?